Are you curious about what each dashboard warning light in the 2025 CX-90? How does the cluster display enhance your driving experience? This guide answers these questions and provides insights to keep you informed and safe. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The 2025 Mazda CX-90 features a sophisticated display and digital instrument cluster for seamless access to driving information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. Rear view monitor provides crystal clear visibility, making parking and reversing safer and easier. The 2025 Mazda CX-90 features sleek, modern air vents for enhanced cabin airflow and comfort. Steering wheel offers ergonomic design and advanced controls for improved comfort and a seamless driving experience.
Instrument cluster.
How to use the multi-information display.
Cluster indicators.
Airbag pretensioner system warning light, seatbelt warning light, ABS warning light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, wrench indicator light, charging system warning light, check engine warning light, key indicator light, engine oil pressure light, low washer fluid amount warning light, DSC indicator light, low fuel level warning light, rear seat alert warning light, seat belt warning light, check fuel cap warning light, engine oil level warning light, exterior lights, warning light, high beam control system, warning light, eye active sense, warning light, e-warning light, security indicator light, AWD warning light, automatic transmission, warning light, eye stop warning light, door ajar light, high engine coolant temperature, warning light, tire pressure monitoring system, warning light, master warning light, shift system, warning light, electric power steering warning light, brake control system warning light, hybrid system warning light, safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.